Hello, beloved friends. I'm here at our Unity People's Convention for 2019, and behind me are some of the many Tibetan bowls for Dr. Dream, and Stephanie is playing them right now. And they represent the incredible sound healing and vibrational frequencies that are available to us as we open our being to this vibration of the universe. And I really wanted to come and just say that as you go into this week and experience the power of the presence right here and right now, and many energies are moving through this universe, connect to the energy of love within your own being. The energy that is the highest possible vibration that you can find in a given moment. This week has been a week of great, powerful movement of energies. Many of you may not know or may not follow the Schumann Resonance, which peaked at 92 on Monday, the highest it's ever been. We're in a time of raising our vibrational frequency, of opening ourselves to the realization of who we are as energetic beings, to know that whether we call it the Christ consciousness or the divine light, the essence of our being, that is moving through us and more profoundly shaking loose the density of old beliefs and paradigms and ways that we've operated in the world. And we're setting free karmic patterns for ourselves and for the world. And so whatever it is that you're facing or experiencing, memories of loved ones lost, or facing experiences of those that are making transitions, or challenges of health or financial challenges or relationship challenges, in any way that you're experiencing anything in this world right now, it is time for you to open to a vibration of love, to a vibration of peace and harmony, and allow those things to pass through that are impacting and affecting the way you're experiencing life, that they're here to pass, that they didn't come to stay, they came to pass, to hold you in a higher vibration, to move you forward into this time where we unify and bring forth the unity of oneness into our every thought, our every experience, our every feeling, so that we become a presence that truly radiates that love and that highest possible vibration out into the world. And as a result, all of us are brought into greater harmony, greater love, greater fulfillment of the true essence of our divine purpose. I wish you a blessed week. You can join our Unity this Sunday at 10:30 a.m. and love to have you for our celebration service, for our youth celebration. And wherever you are, know that you already are the vibration of love. The light of you is shining. There's nothing you can do to dim that. You can maybe not believe it's true, but it's time for you to claim the truth of your own essence and live allowing that light, that love, to bless not only you, but all of those who have the blessing of being within your presence. God bless you, friends. Have a fabulous, fabulous week.